Good morning, guys. So I am going to the gym here in a little while, and I thought I would film another day in a life because, well, I'm just getting back into the swing of videoing. I hope you guys enjoyed our first day back. So this is our second time back to the gym. We had such a lovely time. I mean, after being in lockdown as long as we have been, it really meant a lot to, I'm trying to hold this. It really meant a lot to us to get out and get some fresh air, get some exercise. So let me know if you guys are getting back into the swing of things. Really enjoyed getting out yesterday. It meant a lot to Ronnie, especially. When you are completely blind, you see everything with your hands. So if we're out at Walmart and he runs into a friend, it's a lot of handshaking and hugs, and that's how he relates to people. So you can imagine that trying to keep social distancing is really hard for him because he's so used to being able to relate to people through touch, and so it is really, really difficult for him. But for him to branch out yesterday was a big deal to him, to get out and see his friends and get somewhat of a normalcy back. So it was nice. He's getting used to being videoed. If you guys don't know this, you probably will know. Ronnie is a Southern gospel singer. I knew him since high school, and let's see, oh my gosh, that was in 1994. He was a DJ, and he's very, very good at it. So when he gets on the video, I tease him a little bit because he tries to sound like a DJ and be so, I don't know, precise with his wording, and it's funny. And I'm like, this is just relaxed. You just act normal. But I think it's really, really cute. And he said, oh, that was a lot of fun being videoed yesterday, so let's do that again today. So as long as he is wanting to and willing, we're going to make these vlogs. I'm not so sure how entertaining they will be, but it is our real life. And I'm going to try to show you a little bit, I don't know, a little bit more every day that we go. When there's kids in the pool or other people, I really try not to video them because I don't have their permission, and personally I don't want everybody seeing me in a swimsuit, so obviously I wouldn't want to do that to anybody else. But we are fixing, I did curl my hair just a little bit today, I know, and I put a little bit of makeup on because I got to looking at yesterday's footage and I thought, Lord have mercy, I need some help, right? My roots are so bad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but being in quarantine, I haven't colored my hair in probably about 3 weeks, so I'll probably get to that this week sometime. We have just really just been having it leisure, but I don't know how I have managed to do it, but I've actually managed to stay extremely busy, although I haven't gone anywhere really, other than like Walmart or, someplace like that. That was a necessity to go, but other than that, that is it. Did have the privilege of going to a drive-in church service with my mom and dad. That was a lot of fun. So yeah, we are slowly creeping into things. We have to take very big precautions because Ronnie's mom has COPD and she only has 20% of her breathing, and we do help her a lot and we're around her a lot, so we are taking extreme precautions not to get exposed to the coronavirus because it would be extremely devastating to her. And so that is the reason why we are being so careful where we go and what we do. So without further ado, guys, I guess I'll get my day started, but I hope you guys are doing fantastic when you see this vlog. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of Kiddos Corral. So yeah, I'm going to pack my bag up. I've got my beach towel ready, got my hairband on my arm, because obviously I can't get in the pool with my hair down. I try not to get it wet at the pool. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I'm going to pack a snack with me. Yesterday, I realized at about 2:30 that I was absolutely famished. Like, I needed something right away, and so they did have a little vending machine. I was able to get me a snack, but today I'm going to make sure I pack something in case I feel like that again. So I've got some cranberry grape juices, and I got a couple granola bars. I'm going to throw those in my bag today. It is another scorcher outside, so it's going to feel really good to get into the pool. Are you happy to be going to the gym again for day 2?
Oh, baby, you ain't a kid, and I'm very happy. But you know what?
What's that?
I'm more happy about being with you today. Of course, we have...
I can't argue with you there.
Huh?
I can't argue with you there.
But you know what?
But I am happy to be with you, too. We're getting ready to go over some train tracks, and we're going to hit some bumps.
Even through all of the lockdown, we've been together, been through everything together, and I'm just glad that we're getting some small sense of what we would call normalcy.
Right.
You know, it's a good thing always to...
It is nice, although I cannot get used to wearing these masks all the time, but we got to do what we got to do, don't we?
You know, honey, when the Arizona's not so bad now, you can tell the difference if you get out in the sunshine, and you know, kind of when you breathe in, especially, you know, when your face gets real hot and sweaty, you know.
I know.
But now, like on the bus, it's not so bad.
Yeah, it don't bother me.
And you know, of course, if you've got a piece of candy or chewing gum or something, you know, it really it makes a big difference.
You know what we just went past?
What'll we just go past? Too bad they ain't open yet, ain't it?
I know it. They're not. It's so sad. Having snack time, and I probably look ridiculous talking to myself in here, but there's hardly anybody in here, so I thought I would just stop in and say I just ate a snack, and I'm about ready to get back in the pool. And it has been so much fun because it is nice to have the pool almost to yourself. Nobody in the pool. The whole cold pool to myself. Love it.